Hi, I'm Robin Oy. Back in 2014, I spent about 9 months on a mini retirement trip with my wife, traveling to over 12 countries, over 40 cities in Europe, all while delivering SEO results remotely, way before work from home became a norm. Fast forward to 2016 and 2018, that's when I started traveling within Malaysia, running SEO seminars and webinars. Perhaps you might have seen some of my webinars before, and I've spoken in front of hundreds of marketers and business owners who are hungry to learn all things digital, especially when it comes to SEO. After that, I went quiet. Life happens. Health setbacks pulled me into a rabbit hole of recovery and reinvention. I decided to take a step back, reassess my approach, and rebuild stronger than ever. Earlier this year, I had a wake-up call. AI is changing how SEO works. Traditional keyword stuffing and backlink games are being disrupted by AI-powered content, answer engines, and voice assistants. I knew I needed to evolve. So I dove into AI-driven SEO, automating keyword research with GPT, creating data-backed content briefs, and optimizing for the next generation of answer engine results. And now, I'm turning to LinkedIn, not just to reconnect, but to amplify my AI SEO insights, engage decision makers, and generate meaningful B2B conversations. Now, I'm already seeing early wins, reclaiming high-value search features and sparking interest through targeted outreach. Next, I'm launching the AEO Blueprint video series, 7 concise AI-optimized steps to own answer engine results. Failure isn't final. It's a signal to adapt, evolve, and come back stronger. Now, if you're ready to harness SEO, AI, and LinkedIn for real B2B growth, hit follow or DM AEO now, and let's write the next chapter together.